So pretty, but like, how did they sculpture it that far up?
Yeah, it looks so old.
Honestly, I think they used a lot
I'm really grateful that I got the chance to visit this beautiful monument sculptured on the mountain of Naramsim with another group of tourists. And it really attracted me in such a mysterious way that this monument was built and sculptured on such a high place.
This is a very tourist location, and I think it has a lot of national value. As a tourist, I came here today to look at the view, to see the place, but unfortunately, and it's such a shame, that there is no, they don't keep it, they don't take care of it. As such a national treasure, they should be taking more care of it. This location is a tourist location, and I think they should pay more attention to it.
I give it to I promise you
You guys shouldn't have went without me.
براستی ارمنج جبر گو روشا ویدی گل کینه باش بوا جدوی موتورا ای سیاره وانا ام داراد چینن ام وک و حداقه وانا که ام ده اهلین النو براستی وی کاری هنه ام تکن گلک فعالیت اقتصادی جی گلکتین مره مشارکت کن و شارداری جی اوجی آریکار مره
ام وی مبادره رو مگو افش سالم بارنه گیای هزار درام چندیه و مبادره بخوش شغل سیاست دو پنجی داری مدانیه هر جاری منطقه که استهداف کن هر جاری حديقه که استهداف کن ام دارن کیجا حديقه محتاجه ام استهداف عایدک